American Idol winner Philip Phillips. He says he's been manipulated by the company that produces his records, manages his career, and now he wants out of his contract. ABC's Abby Boudreau has the story.
This morning, American Idol winner turned Gone 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 megastar Philip Phillips filing a bombshell petition hoping to terminate his relationship with a company he's calling oppressive and fatally conflicted. The 24-year-old season 11 winner who signed recording, management, publishing, and merchandising deals with 19 Entertainment, a co-producer of American Idol, before even winning the competition in 2012, alleging the company manipulated Phillips into accepting jobs and entering into other transactions that were for the benefit of 19 and its affiliated companies rather than his own benefit.
One of the things that Phil Phillips complains about is that he was being forced to perform for American Idol sponsors for free.
Phillips also claiming the company repeatedly withheld material regarding important career matters, even allegedly naming and releasing the title of his most recent album without consulting him. Phillips says after hitting it big for songs like Home, he frequently requested that his management company renegotiate his recording deal. But he claims they never did because the label and manager are both under the same umbrella company.
These kinds of management disputes are fairly common in the entertainment industry.
Phillips' attorney telling ABC News